Hey there, what's up? My name is Arya. Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to recommend you 9 must-have apps that are useful, free, productive, beneficial. But before that, this is not a sponsored video. Let's start with the first app. First app is Your Hour. So this app keeps a track of your phone uses time and how many time you unlocked your phone. So and also give you analysis of 7 days that how much you used your phone. Okay, so let me tell you, the first time you will download this app, then it is going to ask you for enabling some permission, and after that it will give you analysis of past 7 days that how much you used your phone in daily basis. It track your phone uses. And the best thing, the thing that I love about this app is it is it shows a timer on on any side of your screen, that how much time you are using a particular app. For example, if I'm using camera, then it's showing here that how much time I'm using this. Same for Instagram. And believe me, when you will see that timer going, and you will, the first question that you will ask yourself is why I'm on this app. And you will, if you are not doing something productive, you will just get out of that app. The second app that I have in my list is Google Word Coach. So I think you know about this app. This is actually a game that helps you to improve your English vocabulary. So how does this work is, I think you have seen it many times. When you search in the meaning of any word on Google, or synonym, antonym, whatever, it when you will scroll, there's a word coach, then you will see. So how does that work? You can actually have it as an app on your phone. Like I have it as an app on my phone. They ask you a question, and which have two options, and you have to choose the correct one. Of course you have to choose the correct one, and they give you marks and you learn new things. And whenever I search something and I have time, I just quickly go to that app and just have a quick test. Or whenever I take a study break, then I do that. And yeah, I like the app. The next app that I have in my list is Tiny Habits. This is like a very simple habit tracker. When I was going through Play Store for searching the apps that I have to recommend you, we honestly saw many apps, like many habit tracker apps, and I found it the simplest. They are so complicated then that you have to understand that how it works. But in this app, you will, it's so simple that you will just go to the app and understand what you have to do. You have to set a habit and then of course track it. And believe me, this is the easiest outlook on Play Store that you will find. The fourth app is Blue Light Filter Night Mode. So this we all know how much phone we do use. This is actually, this app provides a filter on your screen which protects your eyes, of course. And it has actually 5 filters. I would maybe name them here, or I would stick a screenshot. And you can set the intensity, that how much you want for the screen, from 0 to 100. And yeah, this is actually a worth using app. Fifth app is App Block. As the name suggests, it does block the app that you want. For example, if you would ask from me, then I would say sometimes I have a very bad habit of just whenever I unlock my phone, I just go to Instagram. I don't know why, but my fingers go to Instagram. So I block that app for some time. I know I'm going to touch my phone for knowing some meaning and some terms that I don't understand. But I have to actually go to Google, but I somehow just go to Instagram. So I just block that app. uh, I think this would be very beneficial if you are fighting against phone addiction, or you have a habit like me. You can actually try this. You can block any app that you want. So I like the app. Next in my list is Giggle. Great ideas, great learning. Okay, this app does provide summaries of books. There are some free books, and there are some books that are premium in audio form. So what, how much I think is, this is actually very beneficial and valuable for us who want to learn new things and don't have much time, because I have to actually read many things. Although audio books are not as effective as the real books, whenever you listen to some audiobook, please write the things that you learned from that audiobook. Make a diary, notebook, or just write in a page. But whenever you are writing it in a page, make sure that you don't lose it somewhere, because probably I does it. So yeah, that was all I wanted to tell about this app. Now moving on to the next app. This app is actually a water drinking reminder. You can actually download any app reminder which may remind you to drink water. Why I'm saying to download a reminder like water reminder app is because we all know the benefits of water. We scroll into reels and like you are watching this video, drink water and then come again watch this video. Okay, so if I hope you went and drank water. If you don't, please go drink water first. Okay, that was my suggestion, to have a water reminder app, and please be disciplined to it. You just keep it on your study table or somewhere where you on, like I have kept near my bed on my study table. Just keep water near you so that whenever the app remind you, you are just like, let's drink it. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to tell about this app. Hi, there's one more app that I just forget to share with you all while I was recording. That is NCERT book. Personally, I have this app. You can actually download any app from Play Store that is suitable for you. As I am in class 11, so I have downloaded the book for class 11th. We all know the time we are going through. It is possible that you don't have NCERT books, then you may prefer it. And there are some apps which have solutions and other thing also, but personally I don't like the app which have solution. Now watch the video again. Moving on to the last app that we have, Notebook. Okay, so this is actually a note taking app, and again I saw many note taking app, and I found it the simplest and easiest to manage. You can actually use it for different things, not just like notes. You can record your audio, plus you can like of course take pictures and then move it in a file. You just, you can say that it is a organizer app. How I use it is that whenever I do have something new, just I made like I suddenly am writing something and my brain says that, oh, I can shoot that intro like that. So I just write in rough and then click the picture, and yeah, that's it what I do from that app. And personally I don't take notes online. I prefer like notebooks and all for note taking. So yeah, if you are someone who take notes online, then yeah, it is a great app. You must try this. I know there are many apps I haven't told about, like Forest, Bunny करके कुछ है, that also, Brainly, Quora. There are like many apps, but I know that all the apps are actually recommended by many people and they are already famous. So I just wanted to recommend you some apps that you don't know. That's it what I wanted to like share with you all. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned, of course, something added value in your life. If you liked any app from this video, go and download it and use it. Again, this video is not sponsored, as you can see from the numbers of subscribers. Please subscribe to the channel, please. It's my humble request, because I want to see some more growth so that I have the motivation to create more. Although I'm going to create anyway, but please subscribe. It's my like humble request. If you haven't liked this video, comment down which app did you like the most, or which app do you use, or which app are you going to use. And yeah, that's it. Take care. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.